So hey guys, welcome back once again, and in today's video I'm not gonna talk more about anything cause I was just studying and I was just focusing on shift attention today. Actually I've already made a video related to shift attention, and yeah, one of the best thing you can do on stable diffusion. So if you haven't seen that video, the link will be already in the description, or you can click the I button. So first of all, let me tell you, I was just focusing and I was literally failed. First of all, I literally tried many things. You can see over here, I literally tried many things. Let me show you couple of the result today, okay, that I got. This were the result that I got. I was just converting like a cyberpunk man into like a steampunk man. But yeah, the result, I was not satisfied with the result because yeah, I was just messing and I was just testing with this result, okay. So yeah, this was one of the good result, but yeah, I was still not satisfied with this. You can see over here, this is one of the result, and let me show you couple of the more, this one as well. Let me show you this one as well. See this result as well. As you can see over here, let me quickly start again. As you can see over here, but I was still not satisfied with this result. This was one good, but nah, I was still not satisfied with this. But yeah, I'm gonna go deep into its shift attention and further like tomorrow as well. But yeah, today I'm not gonna talk more about this, and this was also one of the result. As you can see, this was also one of the result that I got today. Just look at the result, okay. As you can see, this is the result that I got. Yeah, I don't know, I was not satisfied with this as one. This is also one of the result, but this was one of my maximum result, like 250 stack. I was just doing on 250 steps, but you can see the result over here as well. So this was the result that I got. Just see the result. I think so I'm not good at prompt right now, that's why the results are not that good, okay. So I was just testing today, but yeah, I was totally unsatisfied today with this. So actually I just wanted to test out and be good or add shift attention today, but yeah, literally failed. I will definitely make a deep video regarding to shift attention sooner or later. One more thing, that let me know if you guys are working on shift attention. If any one of you guys are working on shift attention, then do let me know in the comment section below, because I want to get deep into this. So I just want to get deep into like shift attention and want to learn more about this thing, shift attention, okay. So anyone of you guys watching the video know about shift attention and how to prompt on shift attention, then do let me know in the comment section, okay. Till then, there's not a lot of things that I'm gonna talk about today, because yeah, I just failed on shift attention once again. So till then guys, just enjoy the images that I generated yesterday with using Dreamlike Diffusion. I just generated a lot of shoes images yesterday, and I already made a video. So if you haven't seen that video, then that video is already on my channel, okay. Sampling method video. So these are the shoes images that I generated, and one of the best images that I generated using Dreamlike Diffusion yesterday. In order to like, I was just studying upscaling, so that's why I generated like shoes images yesterday with using Dreamlike Diffusion. So just enjoy the images with like upscaled images, and yeah, till then just enjoy the images, and I will be back with more and more videos tomorrow. Till then, have a good day. Bye guys, love you guys, and sorry for the video today, okay. Just enjoy the images. Bye guys, love you all guys, just enjoy the images.